Yesha.
Cyril.
Cyril.
Saingel.
Very good.
Olivia.
Olivia.
John.
Jan, Iron Man, the super birthday boy.
James.
Sir James or Kuya James.
Ali.
Ali, may pinagdadaanan ka ba? Okay. Your name is?
Well, Paul.
Very good.
Nikolai.
Nikolai, nice. Are you ready for the prizes? Yes or no? Okay, listen kids This time for the first game, it's what we call the Bring Me game, the most popular games in this party. I'm looking for the object or things and to receive special prize from the birthday family. Yes, birthday boy. Okay, this time, in 5 seconds, go back to your mommy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, very good. Okay, and here's the first Bring Me. Mommy and Daddy, tulungan natin yung mga kids if ever nawala yung mga object or things for the Bring Me game. Okay, and now, the first Bring Me, Kuya Harold, I want you to bring me here. First come, first serve po. Yung una magdala, magkakaroon kagad ng prizes. I'm looking for any kind of ID. Let's go! Come on. Okay, we have a winner. Sorry, we have a winner. First come, first serve. Okay, so okay, girls, we have a next game for you. Okay, clap your hands for the winner. Okay, get ready. It's okay. Better luck next time for the next Bring Me. This time, I think we have 3 winner or 4 winner. I'm looking for, Kuya Harold, I want you to bring me here at least 1,000 pesos. Let's go! Okay, 1. Nice. 1. 2, 3. 1 only. 3. Last one. And 4. Iron Man, come here. Iron Man. Birdie boy, come here. Ay, sorry, buddy, you're late. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Mommies and daddies, i-remind ko lang po yung mechanics ng games. Kuya Harold, a while ago, I'm looking for the object or things, and after nun, papalitan po ng prizes. Thank you so much for 1,000 peso bill. Okay, please claim your prizes. Okay, mommy, okay na po, konti na lang po yung balance nyo. Ayan. Okay, yung mga nagdala, please get your 1,000. Yung mga new bill. Okay, 1, 2, 3, last one. 4, claim your prizes. Very good. Okay, this time lahat ng kids kasali na. Inviting to all the kids, so please stand up here and please get your phone. Hirap tayo ng phone kay mommy or kay ate, kay daddy. Go! Let's go! Okay, pause. Hold your phone in right hand. Hawakan natin yung cellphone sa kanang kamay. Hold your phone in right hand and face that here. Kailangan doon nakaharap. Yan. Harap ka ron, buddy. Doon nakaharap. Face that here. Okay. Hold your phone in right hand. Buddy, you wanna join? Get your phone. Okay. Finish? Okay, listen kids. Please on your camera mode. Open natin yung camera. On your camera mode. And front cam. Kailangan naka-front cam on your face. Because the next game is what we call the selfie game or the most popular games in Vietnam. Ayan. Already na? Finish? Okay. It's a selfie game or paparazzi game. Like for example, please. First, listen, Jen. Listen, girls, boys. The first picture or warm-up picture, please take a picture yourself, a wacky pose. Go! Ang galing Nice. Very good. Finish? Okay. Very good. Okay, it's a warm-up picture pa lang, kids. Warm-up picture or first selfie. Get ready and listen. The first picture, please take a picture with your. Kailangan kasama sa picture you and with your mommy. Go! Take a picture with your mom. Okay, stand up here again. Very good. Stand up. Nice. Finish. Come on, curveball, 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 curveball. Very good. Yesha, come here. Okay. Nice. Finish. Nice, Iron Man, the birdie boy. Very good, Yesha. Finish. Okay. Aside for your mommy or your beautiful mom, this time, listen, for the next picture, please take a picture with mommy of the pretty boy. Go, where's the mommy of the pretty boy? A super mom, super mom. Take a picture with super mom, super mom. Come on. Here, here, buddy, here. Careful, careful. Careful, buddy, careful. Finish. Careful, careful. Okay. Ah, very good. Finish. Okay. Sana hindi po malito ang kids natin, ha, for the next picture. Okay, please take a picture with the birthday dad. Go! Sino? Sabi na malilito eh. Here, here. Okay. Finish. Finish. Very good. Nice. Okay. Nice. Okay, once again, mommies and daddies, clap your hands for the kids. Palakpakan naman po natin yung mga kids natin, guys. Okay, I think let's proceed for the last picture and listen. Last picture. Ready? Okay, for the last picture, please take a picture with the birthday boy. Go! Here, here. Ate, here. Oh, si birthday boy na ang lumapit. Pause. Nag-my day na silang dalawa. Finish, Jan? Finish? Sure? Okay. Pause the music. Finish na, kids? Very good. Okay. And this time, aside dun sa inyo mga souvenir picture, after ng event guys, or after ng party, pag pauwiin sa bahay guys, pwede niyo siya i-post ha, para magkita-kita yung mga picture or magkaroon ng isang album from the birthday Jan. Okay, please, hashtag Happy 7th Birthday Superhero Jan. Para magkaroon siya ng isang complete album. Okay. Kids, please claim your prizes. Claim your prizes. Isa lang. Claim your prizes. Bubbles, yan. Kaya.